What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and it's your boy Marlson, and today we are celebrating my grandma's birthday. Happy birthday to you. And almost everybody's here.
Oh, yesterday?
And I'm just hanging out with these people. And stay tuned because it's gonna be fun, and thank you for your support on our channel, because we reached 900 subscribers. That means a lot to us. Yeah. And see you guys in a little bit. See you over there. Over there is the park, as you can see. Everyone's having fun right now. Over there is the water park. Up there is the football field. That's where we're gonna be next. And everyone's just split up. So guys, comment down below what what's that? Comment down below.
Comment down below your favorite part of the video.
Yeah, your favorite part of the video.
Make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification so you can get more notifications.
Yeah. What he said.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. So we're waiting for everyone.
So what, are you moving up to Seattle? Nate? Are you moving up to Seattle? Are you moving up here? No?
Forever Oregonian. Portland's my home.
Huh?
Portland's my home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're just waiting for everybody so we can start the food. Get you on camera, man. Arfin, welcome to Seattle. Did you even subscribe to our channel? Or do you even know?
No, I didn't know you guys had a channel.
What the? So you better go back when you go back to Oregon, better make sure you tell all your families. Subscribe to
double
Loco-moco.
I'll double click.
Yeah, look him up, Loco-moco. Yeah. Right.
What's up?
Yeah, your brother needs to subscribe. What? Yeah.
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 All right, guys, we are about to go eat because all of us are hungry. So we're just waiting for other people to come eat. Oh, okay, we're about to go eat right now. It's about to be good food. I'm hungry, so guys, stay tuned because the party just started. Hey. It's gonna be fun. There's gonna be happy birthday to you. And alright, see you guys in a little bit.
You put your. I saw that like I was like, wait, what are they putting in the back of the
Okay. Oh yeah. This is chicken.
It used to be live.
Chicken. Yeah, chicken. You know that chicken. You know. And then that's
Hold it like that.
ribs, right? That's fish. Bacon. Pig.
Yeah, that's bacon, boy.
Pig. Bacon jalapeno. And then what is this?
Breaded fish.
Breaded fish. Breaded fish, okay? This one is what's huh?
Noodles.
Noodles?
Kimchi noodle.
Yeah, noodles. This one?
Kalua pork.
Kalua pork. Then let me get these. Let me
Egg rolls.
egg roach. Egg roach. Hey, egg roach.
Keep going, tell them.
Hot dog, bacon, and cheese. You can see in the. And what's this? Kimchi. Am I missing anything? Okay. Mushroom. Mussels. And also.
Ask Gloria.
Gloria, what is this? Dad, what is this?
That's I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
I
know
know.
it's good. Oh, I know it's good. Yeah.
yeah, it's good. It's good. And then we got sushi. Of course, needs to be in our. We need to get
Yeah.
1, 2.
What's up, M3E? What's going on? So today I'm the designated chef. I'm cutting the ham.
Okay, and what's this?
I can't wait to get my food.
Seafood.
Yep.
Seafood, ham. Look at it, and hot dog.
See, that's a good start right there. Ham.
And then.
Let's just say noodles.
Noodles. Okay. And then you come here. This is the main dish that I always love.
What's that?
Potato salad. What's that? I'm just gonna get this because where's my rice? Where's my rice? Noodles.
More noodles.
More noodles.
Wait. Tell him to stand.
Potato. Banana. Breadfruit. Macaroni. Pasta. And orange rice. Then rice, the normal rice that I always eat every single day. And then the next thing in the soda. Come on. Okay, see you guys in a little bit.
I'll just scrap it.
Alright, what's your name, bro?
My name?
Yes.
King.
King? Alright, you got any shout outs, King?
Shout out to everybody.
You know, D1. You know, Alabama, here I come.
Get out of here.
What's up?
What you gotta say?
Add me on Snapchat. WSellerfish691.
Okay, buddy. Cheeks. Alright, let's go eat.
I'm waiting on you.
Alright, let's go eat. Monday fart. Yeah, well, that's Sean. Alright, you say you got a shout out, bro? Hey, what's your name first?
Wait, hold up.
Bro, I'm recording, dude.
Let me eat.
Alright.
Let me finish first and I'll do it. No. Alright. Shout out to my 3 friends from Oregon.
Your girlfriends?
Shut up, bro. Girlfriends? No.
Oh. I heard wrong, my bad. You got poly day?
Is that it?
Yeah, I got video.
Alright.
I was there too.
Thank you, sir. Oh, you were there?
Hold on, keep this story. I was like, ooh. I wonder what is there. You're my cousins, dog. My cousins. Oh, two round seconds, dog. Oh, you're that?
Right now we are in the upper stairs, upper part of the field. And this is where you can do whatever you want. So right now, we are gonna see who's gonna win the race. Me. Rossin. Velma. Wait, let me get a focus. Focus. It's not focusing. Wait, go back more. Well, Rossin, Velma, Kamara, Elston, Happiness is the guy that you gotta touch. Alright, so comment down who's gonna win. It's about to be lit. Alright, let's get it. Alright. Wait. The race starts now. Round 1. Fight. Ready? Set, go. Come back! First, second, third, fourth. Ow! Comment down. Who do you think that won? Sorry, the camera's too close. Alright, who wants to hold this camera? Me! Kamara, because Kamara is vlogging. Yeah. Okay, just follow us. 2, 1. I didn't say go. See, those guys are called cheaters.
How do you zoom in?
Huh?
How do you zoom in?
It's your... Alright guys, I'm tired. Those guys are cheaters. What? Okay. That was the playoffs. Right now, semifinals. What's your favorite team in the NBA? What's your favorite team in the NBA? Blazers? Yeah. Blazers. Comment down Blazers for Kamar. What's your... Okay, comment down. Go to State Warriors for Velma. What's your favorite team? Lakers. Comment down. Los Angeles Lakers for Austin. How about you?
The Milwaukee Bucks and the Blazers.
Okay. Comment down below Milwaukee Bucks or Blazers for him.
Ross, what are you? Based to you.
What are you? You already know. It's the Philadelphia Sixers all the way, baby. And Blazers and Milwaukee Bucks and Los Angeles Lakers and the Boston Celtics.
Alright, go.
Mars, I can't. Dude.
Put it by the tree.
Yeah, put it over there.
Alright. Both of you guys come this way. Guys, you're gonna be embarrassed.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry if this was short or not. Hey, we had a fun time. Right now, I'm on the slide. I'm about to fall. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for all the supporters that was watching our videos. We reached 900 subscribers. In the comments below, write happy birthday mama, because this is where my family's so glad that we got to go to the park and have fun with our cousins. I hope you guys have a nice day, and see you guys in the next video. Peace. See you guys.